Several days ago, I asked some of the young people, what is the first thing that comes into their mind when they are thirsty? Most of them would answer that it's water. But it is true that when we are thirsty, we look for water to drink, because water is essential for life. Since time immemorial, water has played an important role in life. Even the first Western philosopher, Thales, said that water is the fundamental substance of all matter. When we quench our thirst with water, we felt that comfort and satisfaction. We felt refreshed and energized. But is it really water that we are thirsty for? During the final moments of Jesus on the cross, he said, I thirst. Let us first understand this statement in its context. It can be tempting to see the pain of the cross as solely referring to the nails in Christ's hands and feet. We must remember, however, the cross occurred only after he walked through the streets, beaten by the Roman guards and spit upon by the bystanders. Once this procession of humiliation was finished, only then he had the nails driven through his hands and feet. To add insult to injury, he was erected upon a wooden wheel so that he could be mocked and jeered by the very ones seeking to save. On the cross, Jesus hangs in a position of self-suffocation. His only relief from physical pressure upon his lungs is to hoist his weight upon his nail-scarred wrist and feet. As the hours have passed, crucified in the burning heat of the noonday sun, this action will become more and more difficult and increasingly more painful. The Romans designed this way of
Me? Cosa Brasil?